I'm at the First Tuesday Morning store. And do you see that big red sign? Who in the world closes a Tuesday morning? But anyway, I still have a plan. And the plan is to not buy out the store. I'm looking for these this one die. That tonic gift bag purse die. That's the only thing I'm looking for. So we're gonna go in here and see what we can find. And then we'll see what happens. Okay. So we're here. And I say we as in me and my grandbaby. And I'm just looking to see if they're gonna have this die. She already searching. And I seriously doubt if it's gonna be here, especially if they're closing this location. It said this location only. But I am going to take time out and look. I'm going to sift and sort as oh God, what's her name? You know who she is. I think is it Poet Spice maybe that she says. So I can't sift and sort and hold my Starbucks and this phone too. So I'm gonna put the phone down and see if I come up with anything. Not the phone, the camera. Jeez. Guys, I'm at my second Tuesday morning. And lo and behold, this one also says the store closing, this location only. I'm not understanding. Who closes a Tuesday morning? But this is the second one. So let me see one of these doors. Say what?
She said, what you say, Mark? I said, I'm accepting to go in, but I'm not gonna go. Yeah, I mean, you ain't going, it ain't too much in there. They really don't, they say wholesale.
So I got my granddaughter with me again. I just don't understand who closes a Tuesday morning. That's just the craziest crap to me. But we're going to come in and see if we can find this die. Since the store is closing, this location, I'm not sure if they're going to have, you know, if they even got any new stuff in as in that die. So, all right, let me turn this off because I will get a strike. All right, I am at the third and final one for today. And the craft section looks kind of peaked, but I'm going to search through the whole thing and see what I can find. Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I just got a small haul. And it's a collective haul. It's not a lot. Haven't been doing a whole lot of shopping, but I managed to get a few little things in. And I think this mostly Tuesday morning, and this right here I got from Amazon and Dollar Tree. So it's like I said, it's not a lot. I'm gonna go through this one last. I think this is the only thing that I got from Dollar Tree, and these are some book rings. I used these in the tutorial before this video to use those as some rings for a hexagon purse. I picked these up because I'm going to take my metal rings off of my current planner, and I'm going to put these in their place so they can be stored with that. I picked this up to help me take off the backing to, you know, the double-sided stick tape. And it's a struggle for me when I'm trying to get those off. So I'm hoping that this will help. There was one of my subscribers suggested using a pen. And I do have some pens, but I don't know. But I'm going to use this in the hope this will make it a lot better since it's longer and I can, you know, get in there with this. So hopefully this will work. And this is actually something that you would use to like get the bubbles out of, let's just say something with sugar, like some type of syrup that will harden and you don't want bubbles in it. You would use this to pick the bubbles out. And this came from Tuesday morning. Oh, and by the way, I think this was a Michael's when I had like a 60% off coupon, or no, it wasn't Michael's. This was Joann's. 60% off coupon. I think it was the last day. I just rolled up and got this one. This is Tuesday morning. It's called what? Sweet Sugar Bell. I ordered this from, well, I didn't order it. I went searching for this, and it was at Michael's. The stores that were closest to me were out, and I found this one at another store, and I just went on, paid for it online, and so they had it ready for me once I got there, and it was on clearance, as a matter of fact, so it didn't cost that much, which was great. And I've been looking for something like this. I have a die of his, and I really didn't know. I guess you don't really need it, but this helps a lot with that. So, and with just with the curling thing anyway. So I got that. This is a Tuesday morning die, and this one does recipe cards. So in the new year, guys, I want to have a recipe card swap. But the thing about it is, it just won't be one recipe, it'll be an entire meal. So it'll be one recipe card, you know, that you decorate and everything, but you can have like 3 or 4 recipes, like simple recipes like baked fish and some type of vegetable, maybe a bread, maybe a dessert, something real simple, nothing, you know, nothing real heavy, nothing real fancy. So I picked this up in hopes that I will actually get to do that this year. Well, not this year, I'm sorry, in 2020. I picked this up from Tuesday morning as well, and it looks Christmassy. That's why I got it. And hopefully I get a chance to do some projects with this before Christmas is over with this year, which is December 1st, 2019. In a few minutes, it's probably going to be December 2nd. I picked this up as well from Tuesday morning. I have some of these. Let's see, this one has these. Okay, I do have some of these, but oh, I can't think of her. And I think it's Happy Scrapper. I don't know, but she's gonna do like a back to basics type scrapbooking thing, and I'm gearing up to be a part of it. So, and I'm subscribed to her. She's subscribed to me. And I really would like to get to scrapbooking, because scrapbooking really almost made me give up crafting. Yeah, it just freaks me out. I don't know why it does. It just does. But I got these, and I'm hoping that when I join her live or whatever she does, that I can, you know, calm down and de-stress and do some fairly decent kind of scrapbooking or project life type things. Ooh, and this is just a mailing envelope for something nice. This I just could not leave in Tuesday morning, guys. This is a big happy planner, but this is the memory keeper. And, you know, I never really thought about it. But once I picked it up, I actually just thought it was just a regular planner. Didn't know it was a memory keeper. And I was like, oh, okay. Once I got it home, because I really just picked it up because I like the cover. And I said, well, you know, $10, you know, I could do that. I'd get some more rings and everything else. But then I got more than what I expected. I got some stickers and stuff. I got washi tape here too. But I think I'm going to like this better than just a regular planner, because, you know, I could use this as a planner with no problem. But I can also put, like, what is it, my photos in here, just like I did my other planner, especially when I was doing some stuff with my granddaughter, and I put our picture in and everything. And so I'm thinking that I may, even though they're the same, I think I'm going to like this one a lot better, because you got prompts here on the side. Let me see if I can pull it into the thing. You got these prompts over here. It says loving, thankful for, thinking of, going, wearing, excited for, and then you have the quotes, and then it got all this extra stuff. So I'm gonna try this and see how I like it. And besides that, this is very neutral. I love the neutralness of this. My other one had different colors of greens and everything. I didn't particularly care for that, even though you could cover it with no problem. I just didn't like that. And this I absolutely love, because I had no clue what to do with that page in my regular planner. Let me see, where is my regular planner? Let me grab it right quick. Okay, let me put this down right there. This is my regular planner. Let me just grab one. And as you can see, I don't know, because this right here could have been for the, and this, where is this? Like right here, where you have the prompts. Where did it go? Like right here. I could have been doing that on the other pages, but you know, it just didn't click for me. So needless to say, a lot of this I didn't do anything with. So yeah, it's just empty on 99% of the pages. But with this, I can, you know, capture. I can put a picture right there, and then I got celebrated if I did something. I could put it in here. At least this, to me, this makes more sense. Let me just put it that way. It just makes more sense to me. So I'm going to basically ditch my planner that I have and opt for something like this. And I'm going to try this and see if this works for me. If this works better for me, then I will be doing the memory planning thing from now on. But like I said, you can still do the same type of deal in a regular planner. But that just, for me, just makes just a little bit more sense. Okay, let me move this out the way, and then I'm going to show you this last thing I picked up. Okay, this is it's called an admin bag. I don't know why they call it an admin bag, because my definition of an admin bag is it would have the little thing in it that you can charge your phone and all that type of stuff. But this didn't come with that, but it's a nice size bag anyway, and I think you can like put these on your belt, or if you have a backpack, you can kind of secure it to that. And it has right here where you can do the Velcro thing as well, and it has these little pieces on it as well. Like I said, this is a nice bag, and it's a nice size bag, but this is what I got this bag for. In 2020, I am going to create a book. I'm going to do some bookbinding. And my bookbinding is going to be a heritage book. So I'm going to teach myself how to bind, make, create, whatever you want to say, a book. So I've been collecting some items, and I got this PVA glue, this pH balance, PVA professional quality archival adhesive. Ideal for bookbinding and paper projects. So that's why I got this, because I do want this project to last for many generations. I don't know if that's going to work out or not, because I won't be around, but I want to get started on doing that. And I got these little things right here. This is a bookbinding kit, and this is and I'm sorry for the crinkly noises, guys. This just, it's nothing serious, because I wanted a bigger one that came with about 6, I think, different colors of this thread, and it came with some other type of cording, which I may go back and get, or I may just find those pieces that I think are missing and just get that. But this has 2 bone folders. It comes with these. Oh Lord, let me go check on him. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. I guess I was talking too loud. But I don't remember where I stopped at. But I know I said something about this adhesive right here. I have these 2 bone folders right here. And this was separate, by the way. This was separate, and the case itself was separate. This was the kit right here. I have this cording to sew my signatures together. I have these needles right here, and I think it's about 6 different needles in there. And I have my owl to punch the holes. Okay, so and I think that's it. I'm going to try to keep you guys abreast of the how the book binding is going, and hopefully you and I can do this thing together. Okay guys, that's it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, little bugs.